Here I have written the structure of the program and we are going to learn the formatting tools now. So for the formatting, first of all we will be learning about the bold, underline and italics tag. Okay? So for that a small program we are going to write. So after writing the HTML I have written the heading tag, and within the heading tags I have to write the title tag. So in this title tag, if I am going to write this learning formatting tags, right? So in the body part, now I am going to write a small program which will help us to understand the formatting tabs. So this is my line number 1. This is normal text, right? After that I am using this BR tag, means the line is to be broken over here. Now B tag, B bold, B is for bold. I am using this B tag, you can write in capitals as well, no issues. In the bold letters I want, and this is bold text, right? After that I am closing this bold tag. Again I am using this BR tag. Now this is, and I'm using this underline tag over here. U is for underline, underlined text, right? Now I'm closing this underline tag here. After that I'm using this BR tag once again just to write the text in the next line. Now this text will be, now I'm using this italic tag, displayed in italics, right? Right. Now I have to close this body tag and we have to close this HTML tag as well. So this is the complete program. So we have used so many tags over here. As you can see, we have used the BR tag, after that bold tag. Whatever is written within this bold tag, it will be printed in the bold letters. So after that BR tag has been given, means the line will be broken, and after that from here to here, right, the text will be underlined, and in the next line the displayed in italics, it will be in italics. Let's see what happens here. So it is not line the break, it is formatting tags. Right, dax.html on the desktop itself I have saved. Right, now minimizing, formatting tags. So this is my file. As you can see, I will show you the commands also so that you can find the difference. So this is a normal text, nothing is there, but simple text is here. Like as we have written we have used the BR tag over here just after the text has been written in the next line. After the BR, this is bold, right? So bold B, and this is bold text. So B or bold text starts from here. So this is the beginning of the tag and this is the closing of the text. So whatever has been written within this tag, that will be printed in, that will be typed, or that can be seen in the bold letters, right? After that we have used the BR tag, means after the text the line has been broken and now it will be printed in the next line. So here underline,
हमारी टंकी सारी खाली और अब ठीक नहीं है, सारी
now U is underline tag, and here for the underline This is the underline tag and this is text we have used within this U tag. This is beginning of the tag, this is closing of the underline tag. Okay, this is underline and this is the text which is used over here. This was the beginning part, this was the closing part. So whatever is written within these two tags, the beginning and the end tag, so the commands will be active for that particular part only. It can be one word, it can be one sentence, it can be one paragraph. Okay? So here again we have used the BR tag. So the text is written in the next line here. In the last line the text will be I. I means italic. As you can see, displayed in italics, this word displayed in italics is written within this italic tag, so it is displayed in italics.